Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best men's hairspray in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is John Frieda Luxurious Volume Forever Full Hairspray for Fine Hair. John Frieda goes directly to the market with its luxurious fine hairs volume, always completely hairspray. In such hairspray, L'Oreal Elnett profiling always achieves full comprehensive information about applications of ultra-fine mist penetration of her fine hair and makes sure that each strand in the wound is effective, fragrant and easy to expect. Nevertheless, it seems that never leaves to remove any unsightly residue or difficult hair, and during shrinkage with completely preserved always hope it is not so bad as a pamplemousse runs through your dew. Make your hair good and dry before use and do not be afraid, generously apply an amount. Note that during John Frieda Luxurious Volume is always formulated for fine hair and also has an excellent work in normal and even thick hair because of his penetration skills. Number 2. Our second best pick is Tresem Hairspray, Extra Hold. Tresem Trace 2 Additional Hold Hairspray Lacquer is another baby in the Parisian salons, delights men and women everywhere. This formula is dry, waterless and never leaves his scalp sticky like some other hairspray can. You will get solid, everyday retention, no crispness or the feeling that you are wearing a helmet. 2-3 additional stops of hairspray is a favorite on the catwalks, as it keeps the hair in place while some natural gain. And while some might not hear the word runway in connection with toiletries, this lacquer is particularly a natural look that is difficult to reach even with the best pomades. There are 2 additional fixations, is a free water formula, is not back in the face of moisture and is an ideal paint for all types of hair, straight and thin to thick and curly. If you are looking for an effective sprayed hair that allows people focus on how well you look, you owe it to yourself. Tresem Trace give 2 additional fixing hairspray try. With his super reasonable price, which has nothing to lose and may win a great satisfaction. Number 3. Our third best pick is TIGI Bedhead Hard Head Hairspray. TIGI Bedhead Hair Hard Track Sprayed, it's no joke when it comes to that further fixation. The good thing about this unisex hairspray is that remains in place, you do not feel like you have applied a layer polyurethane scalp. There is a fair amount of game in the finished and crisp little mouse types. Aware that control hair products have to dry hair hard, with TIGI Time includes head humectants, which absorb into the hair while keeping it in place. If or not this approach actually prevents dry hair out in the long run, it's the only show some time. However, you can feel the difference moisturizer does when you wash your hair at the back of the head day. It also offers a good amount of gloss to go without water, and moderation is always a good thing in terms of most children, especially if they work in a professional environment. This is nonsense, unadorned hairspray to keep the hair in place all day is designed and does a great job of it. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is L'Oreal Paris Elnett Satin Hairspray. Most women are familiar with L'Oreal, most of the boys, however, need introduction. L'Oreal Cosmetics Company is the largest in the world. It is based in Paris, and has produced world-class makeup products and care products for nearly a century. Now we have out of the way so we can say their satin lacquer Elnett is worth the estimated reputation, producing solid but flexible support. You look great no matter what may be your chromosome structure. It is resistant to moisture, odor and a tasteful light brightness, and is attractive. Elnett Satin uses an ultra-fine mist to penetrate deep into the dew and grab total hair, not only the part closest to the aerosol. While Elnett Satin Hairspray the hair in place can keep all day, even things loosen a little and still keep a good amount of retention, performing a brush through easily. Regardless of your hair texture, they are much like L'Oreal Paris Elfined Elnett Satin Hairspray. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is TIGI Bedhead Masterpiece Massive Shine Hairspray. TIGI, our second entry in this list, is his masterpiece Massive Bedhead Glossy Lacquer. If what you're looking for is a hairspray that sits quietly in the background alone should tell them their work did the name, you have the wrong place. But if what you want is a hairspray, this is some much needed, or wanted, to restore your hair shine. Bedhead Teacher Work is Massive Shine Hairspray for you. Massive Shine works overtime control frizz and does so in a discreet manner. You do not need a ton of this material for the basement and the appropriate brightness, and that's good, because the more the smell adds, the more obvious. That does not mean the smell is unpleasant, but it is perhaps a little too good for some boys planning to get a countenance. Although the people who received the company did not feel out of Massive Shine like mousse on the cobblestones. Instead, leave your hair feeling, almost, natural, and even if you run your fingers through his hair during the day you still have to wait a good deal, and keep only taking one spritz or two things right again fixed up. However, the sale of goods is here, the brightness, so if you like a shine to you, or you are a little older and are looking for a certain degree of gloss to make your hair back, Massive Shine is for you. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.